Old doctors reveal, mix castor oil with lemon, the remedy they use to fix 11 health issues quickly. One quiet afternoon, an elderly doctor shared an amazing secret with me. He said, "We've been using this simple mix of castor oil and lemon for years to solve problems that modern medicine often overlooks." After researching and consulting, what I discovered was astonishing. Stay with me, and I'll tell you what this powerful blend can heal.
1. Joint pain and arthritis relief.
Those aching joints. It's something many of us deal with, whether it's from age, overuse, or inflammation. You know how it is. Some days, your knees feel stiff, your back feels sore, and even a simple walk seems harder than it should. But here's the good news. Castor oil and lemon can help. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a natural anti-inflammatory that works deep within the tissues. When you rub castor oil on those sore joints, it helps to reduce swelling and ease stiffness. It's like giving your body a warm hug that helps it heal naturally. And then, when you add lemon juice into the mix, you're boosting the anti-inflammatory effect. Lemon's vitamin C helps fight off free radicals that cause damage to the joints, while its detoxifying properties support the body's healing process. To use this, simply mix a little castor oil with freshly squeezed lemon juice and gently massage it into your painful joints. Wrap the area in a warm towel afterward to let the oil sink in deeper. With regular use, you'll start noticing how the pain eases and you'll move more freely. It's a gentle, natural way to deal with those everyday aches and pains. If you don't have castor oil at home, you can find a high-quality option in the link provided below. Or grab some from a local store. Just make sure it's a good quality product. 2. Digestive relief, easing bloating and constipation. Now, let's talk about something else that affects us all from time to time. Digestion. There are days when our stomachs just don't cooperate, right? Bloating after a meal, feeling sluggish, or dealing with constipation. It can really throw you off balance. But once again, castor oil and lemon have got you covered. Castor oil has been used as a natural laxative for ages. It gently stimulates the intestines, helping move things along when digestion is feeling sluggish. No need for harsh chemicals, just a natural push to clear any blockages and leave you feeling lighter and more comfortable. And let's not forget about lemon. Its natural acidity stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down food in the stomach. Together, they make a perfect team. Take 1 teaspoon of castor oil mixed with half a lemon's juice in a glass of warm water, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This will kickstart your digestive system and help reset your body. You'll feel refreshed, and any bloating or discomfort will gradually ease away. 3. Enhancing heart health, lowering cholesterol, and improving circulation. Now let's talk about your heart. It's one of the most important things we need to take care of as we age. Luckily, our trusty combination of lemon and castor oil can lend a helping hand here as well. Lemon is known for reducing LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs up our arteries. With its vitamin C and flavonoids, lemon helps keep your blood vessels clear, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing strain on your heart. Meanwhile, castor oil works to improve circulation. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply, stimulating blood flow and reducing inflammation. Together, they help support a healthier cardiovascular system. 4. Improving liver health, detoxifying and enhancing liver function. Let's not forget your liver, my friend. It's one of the hardest working organs in your body, constantly filtering out toxins and keeping everything running smoothly. But sometimes it needs a little help, especially with all the stress we put it under. This is where lemon and castor oil step in. Lemon, with its detoxifying properties, helps boost the liver's ability to produce bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and flushing out waste.
Castor oil, when applied externally over the liver area, stimulates blood flow and improves lymphatic drainage. This gentle combination helps your liver detox more effectively, keeping it healthy and strong.
5. Relieving muscle pain. A soothing massage for tense muscles. Ah, those muscle aches. Whether from a workout or just the stresses of daily life, we've all been there. But here's where castor oil shines. Its rich anti-inflammatory properties penetrate deep into the muscles, helping to relieve tension and ease soreness.
Gently massage the oil into your sore areas like your shoulders or back. The warming effect of castor oil helps improve circulation, speeding up recovery and reducing stiffness. Trust me, your muscles will thank you for it. 6. Promoting hair growth, strengthening hair follicles naturally. If thinning hair has been a concern for you, castor oil and lemon can offer a solution. Castor oil is known for nourishing the scalp and promoting hair growth, while lemon helps keep your scalp healthy and balanced. When applied together, they strengthen hair follicles, encourage new growth, and prevent breakage. Use this mixture regularly to see your hair become thicker and healthier over time. 7. Soothing skin. Irritations. Treating pimples and inflammation. We've all had those frustrating moments when pimples or skin irritation appear out of nowhere. Luckily, castor oil and lemon can help here too. Castor oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in calming irritated skin, while lemon's natural astringent qualities help tighten pores and reduce excess oil. Together, they make a gentle but effective remedy for treating breakouts and restoring your skin's natural balance. 8. Relieving headaches, a gentle massage for quick relief. Now, let's talk about something many of us deal with, headaches. Whether it's a dull ache that lingers or a sharp pain that strikes out of nowhere, headaches can make it hard to get through the day. But here's a little secret, my friend. Castor oil and lemon can help soothe that pain away naturally. For headaches, it's all about gentle care. Take a small amount of castor oil mixed with lemon juice and warm it up between your hands. Then, slowly massage it into your temples, your forehead, and even the back of your neck. The castor oil will work to reduce inflammation, while the refreshing scent of lemon helps calm your mind. You'll start to feel the tension ease away as the mixture stimulates blood flow, releasing the pressure that's causing your headache. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective.
9. Boosting the immune system. Strengthening your body's natural defenses.
Our immune system is like our body's defense team, always working behind the scenes to protect us. But as we age, it's important to give it a little extra support. This is where lemon shines thanks to its high levels of vitamin C. Lemon is a natural immune booster. Its antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals, while vitamin C helps the body produce more white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Meanwhile, castor oil plays its own role in supporting immunity by stimulating lymphatic drainage. When applied to the skin, it helps clear toxins from the body, making it easier for your immune system to stay strong and efficient. Whether you're dealing with the flu season or just looking to keep your immune system in top shape, incorporating this mixture into your routine can help give your body the boost it needs to stay healthy. 10. Regulating blood sugar, helping to balance glucose levels. For those who need to keep an eye on their blood sugar, castor oil and lemon can be surprisingly helpful. While they're not a cure, they can certainly support your body's natural ability to manage blood sugar levels. Lemon, with its low glycemic index and high vitamin content, helps improve insulin sensitivity. It's a small but powerful ally in maintaining balanced glucose levels. Castor oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, supports the body by reducing the stress and inflammation that can negatively impact metabolic function. Taking this combination, 1 teaspoon of castor oil with lemon juice, can complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, making it a gentle way to support your body in managing blood sugar. 11. Improving sleep. A natural way to ease stress and rest. Well,
Sleep. It's something we all need but don't always get enough of, especially when stress and tension creep into our days. If you've been struggling with sleep, this soothing combination of castor oil and lemon can help create the perfect environment for a peaceful night's rest. Here's what you do. Before bed, take a small amount of castor oil and mix it with lemon juice. Massage it into your feet, especially around the arches. Castor oil's natural calming properties help to relieve muscle tension.
while the fresh scent of lemon lifts your mood and relaxes your mind, this gentle routine can help reduce anxiety, ease stress, and prepare your body for a deeper, more restful sleep. Give it a try and see how this simple ritual can make all the difference. Sometimes it's the quiet moments before bed that set us up for a restful night. And there you have it, my friend, a simple, natural solution for a variety of health concerns, all from castor oil and lemon. It's amazing how much these two ingredients can do when used thoughtfully and consistently. Whether you're looking to ease pain, improve digestion, or just take better care of your skin and hair, this remedy has you covered.
Now, I have a small favor to ask. If you found these tips helpful, why not share them with your loved ones? A quick message on WhatsApp to your family and friends could introduce them to something that might make a real difference in their lives. After all, good health is something we all want for the people we care about. Take care of yourself, my friend, and don't forget to spread the good word.